You must have gotten tired of hearing about ChatGPT, but trust me, these AI tools are totally different and will blow your mind. So, number 1 in this list is Google Bard. It has recently launched by Google and as of now, it looks more advanced than ChatGPT. Let me tell you why. Bard is better at generating human-like responses, while ChatGPT is better at text processing tasks like summarization and paragraph writing. Bard also has access to the internet in real time, while ChatGPT relies on a dataset that only goes up until late 2021. Let me give you an example. Let's ask ChatGPT, which is the best camera smartphone in 2023. As you can see, it says my information cutoff date is 2021. Now I will do the same with Google Bard. And see, it says the best camera smartphone in 2023 is S23 Ultra and Google Pixel 7 Pro. Now you tell which one is the best. Not only this, Bard can also generate images based on your searches. Cool! In future, more features will come in Google Bard. Like you can upload any photos and it will show you the Instagram tags and captions. Number 2 is Scribble. So this tool is very interesting, especially if there is an artist hidden inside you. So if you visit scribblediffusion.com, you can draw any picture and next, write a sentence describing the picture. Wow, amazing! Next, you probably have seen the object eraser tool for images, but this website can remove object from videos also. So runway.ml is an online video editor but has an AI functionality and can remove object from the videos. Under AI Magic tool, you have tons of options. So you can remove background from the video, blur out faces in the video, remove silences, everything. Let's try it. So I want to remove this part from the video. Simply using brush, I will paint on it and it will frame by frame remove the object from the entire video. But try this if your object is not moving too fast. Next tool is very useful, which is vid.io. This is awesome tool for any content creators. With the help of vid.io, you can give captions on the videos. After that, you can use it on your reels or YouTube shorts. So it will keep your viewers engaged. So the next tool is Tom. This is for everyone. Whether you are a student, teacher, content creator or anyone. You can generate presentations by just giving a single prompt. Let me show you. You have to go Tomb, then click create and now here just type in what you want. Suppose I type presentation on 7 wonders of the earth. See, it has created several slides. There is one for intro and one for summary, etc. So basically it uses ChatGPT to create summary and DALL-E 2 for creating these images. Okay, let me try the another one. Create summary of Harry Potter series. Wow, see, it has covered all the series and you can also customize the colors and images. So, you know about Midjourney, which can generate images based on text, but Midjourney is paid. But this AI tool is free. It's called bluewillow.ai. First, search bluewillow.ai, then click join the free beta. Then you will automatically join Discord. Then after joining Discord, click rookie 4 or any of these rookies. Now give any prompt. Example, /imagine a sunny afternoon in the neighborhood park with children running around and playing soccer. Your image will soon appear below. You can see images of other people also who is using Blue Willow. So you have to scroll down to find your image. Now this is the result you got. Wow, mind blowing. It all depends on your imagination and how you give the prompt. Let's search one more. /imagine face of anime avatar with blue and purple color theme. Oh my god, I can't believe this. If you want full tutorial about this website, you can comment down. Next, if you want to change your normal video into 4K quality, this app is for you. So you may have seen 4K quality anime reels on Instagram and might be thinking which app has been used to edit these. So friends, this app is called Blur. With this app, you can change normal videos into 4K, but it is only available on iOS. If you know about any Android app, you can tell us in the comment section. This is the most interesting AI tool. If you want to change 2D image into 3D, you can do it by using this AI tool. Just search Leapix, then click plus icon. Now upload your image. It will take few seconds and see, it has converted into 3D photo. Let's try one more. Wow, great! So friends, you can use it to create reels or short videos. Just use these images and add voice or background music. If you want to know more about the trending AI tools, kindly subscribe and visit our channel.